was your major?
My major is business English.
Business English. Nice. Your English is good?
No, actually, my English is really very poor, especially when I speak with native speaker. Most of the time, I can't understand you guys because
Don't
I really have
worry.
very poor vocabulary station. So yeah, I can't understand you most of the time.
I can speak in a way that you can understand because I am a professional.
Thank you.
You are on the stage. This is not about me. This is about you.
Okay.
Which province are you
So,
from?
I come from Hunan province.
Nice. And how long have you been on HelloTalk?
Actually, it's almost 1 year.
Which province is your friend from?
She also come from Hunan province, but it's not the same region.
What is her major?
Her major is painting. Actually, she is an artist.
Does she speak English?
Can you speak English? She can speak English, but she is a little bit shy, so she don't want stand on the stage. You know what I mean?
Tell her I said 没事.
她说没事啊。
Yeah, 没事，没关系。